So guys, welcome back to part 2 of my slime collection. I forgot to put the title on it, so yeah. So, I'm gonna mixing up some of it together. So I'm gonna mix up a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. And a little bit of this, and a little bit of fake snow. Gotta add fake snow because that's what you got in the package. Fake snow. It smells so toxic. It's non-toxic. So, and the tiny bit of clay. Now we start mixing. Mix it. It's gonna make a brownish color. I already know it's brown. Or not. The wait is saving the day. It's making gray. Oh my god. Well, who cares? I wasted slime. I'm gonna keep. Oh, and we forgot to add a little bit of perfume. And guys, there's still a little bit stuff in there, so I'm gonna check it out. There's glasses and yeah. Now, and cards. Bye guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, like, and comment.